Hey, you should just record this video real quick. Hey, you should just record this video real quick. Hey, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, also representing B2 Audio USA. And y'all should know about the RC2, the 2-inch Rampage Mini Woofer. I don't want to say subwoofer, but it's a remake of a subwoofer that has, I don't know, it's like 15 or 20 million total views across all different platforms and thousands of these things sold. Well, we want to come out with something different. This was originally made this small to work in RC cars, and we saw, yes, a big RC market, but also a DIY market, and people hooking these up and having fun with Bluetooth. So, came out with the RIOT 2.5 inch, a little bit more cone area, and you can see this thing is a beast. I'm gonna turn on the Big Jeff camera so you can get a close up.
Big Jeff cam activated.
Really, really cool. Look how real that is. Look at that thing, man. Okay, so let's look at some specs on this because it is a little bit bigger. It is 2.5 inches and the mounting depth is right at 2 inches. So a little bit bigger, and you can see the box that we made, the 3D boxes that you can buy, bigger. So I'm gonna put one of these together, not today, but later on. I just wanna do a quick video about it, but we will hook one up. Now, disclaimer, it is not a subwoofer.
It is not a subwoofer.
It's got a very high FS. It is a more of a full range type speaker. It is not a novelty because it makes a great box, but some guys have built some big enclosures and done the work. I think there's a guy named Howard that's really hitting some numbers and crazy stuff. It's for fun, but it works. This is not where you're gonna put 100 of these in your trunk and bass out, okay? This is what it is for right here. Having fun with your kid, new bass heads, something to put on your toolbox. I mean, it's just cool. Build your own box, do whatever. We sell different color boxes, single and dual. Also, we 3D print for chip amps that you can mount right on top. Do what you want, have fun with it. It's a look-alike of a subwoofer that's this big.
How big?
This big.
Really?
This big right there. So, it does come with little ring terminals for this. The older ones had wire coming out, I like that. This thing is pretty beefy. You really only need to give this thing like 20 watts RMS total. Okay, and if you do it uncrossed over and you're sending 20 hertz to it, yeah, it's a little like, I don't know, what is it, a 1-inch voice coil? Yeah, it's like a little 1-inch voice coil, and it's not made for that. So there is no warranty. You bust this thing out, you bust it out. Cross it over, keep the power down, tune it right. You're gonna have fun with it. That's what it is. So I'm just gonna put a little power to this thing. Let me bring the Big Jeff cam. Oh, he's got a camera already ready, good. All right, so let me do this. Okay, so this is technically full range coming out. Let me get this on here. Warranty. Damn. Okay. All right, Big Jeff cam.
From the woofers to the tweeters, got the gear you need. When you ride with Big Jeff, you gon' feel that beat. Big sound, big boost, no shot.
Okay, it's moving. This does move more air than the older one, but it's still a little tiny speaker. Okay, so you can hear a little bit of mid bass coming out of there. Obviously, putting it in an enclosure and building up, you're gonna have even more, which is really cool. We have them right now. There was a pre-order, you could have got them real cheap, but they're $59.95. There's a deal if you buy more. We have the boxes, we have the Bluetooth chip amps. The chip amp, there's enough power to run it. You have like a treble and bass control and the volume control. You put it right up to your phone, or an auxiliary input, which is real cool. So check that out. I don't know, man. It's really cool. It's fun. Most fun I had was putting this one together. Everything I've done with glue and solder and everything else was really cool. So get yourself one. Future video, I will be putting this together. I want to get this out right away. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com with the RIOT 2.5 inch from B2 Audio.